Abajungu abahereze kwegaranjira omu ihanga harimo abarikuruga Netherlands, Germany, Malaysia kandi abana baza kworeka ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebikwasire aha buhingi hamwe n'oburiisa. Volker Hedman owa Hellman Potre nashaba abantu abine obuzibu omu kuriisa kutari kumwe na kumwe okwija mu bwingi bakatunga obukugu oburabahwere.
As more people are interested in doing modern type farms and get more profitable with the equipment that we have. So the market is very good for us in Uganda and very promising for the future. Now my aim is that we will participate on the money harvest in Kampala, and it would be nice to see you here.
Wong Kalkin owa LLK Agrosystem kuruga Malaysia nawe yashikira mu ihanga.
So this is my first time in Africa. It's a very, very good opportunity for me to come here to explore and to promote my company. So what we do is we are a contractor. We are in the construction industry, but we focus on building poultry houses and pig farms. All the poultry related houses like layer house, pullet house.
Max Mulman owa Weda Daman hamwe na Westa Pump Gimbu na jirangu harvest money ya hwire akajetabamo kandi akihamwa bukugu bwinji.
We are here this week to represent ourselves at the Harvest Money Expo here in Kampala, together with our local dealer, Mr. Samuel Wagasaba from African Choice Holdings Limited. And my message for the people out there is to definitely join this expo. It's a great expo to show the agricultural standards in Uganda and around the world. We would love to have discussions and meetings with plenty of farmers. If you have a time, the expo is from Friday to Sunday. We will be showing ourselves, and we are very eager to meet the Ugandan farmers.
Wagasaba Samuel owa African Holding na jirangwa mworeko ogwo mwaka ogu gutebekanisiibwe gye niko kushaba abanya-Uganda okwija mu bwingi bakege bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe.
Tulina abakugwa by'okuzimba farm n'okuzimba amakolero okuva Philippines. Tulina abakuwa ebyuma by'embizi. Embizi wezizaalira, weziriira, wezebaka, wezifunire bogumu. Okureducinga oba okukendeeza kukuta obubizi nga buzaalibwa n'okubeera nga naawe ofuna target eyeetaagisibwa mu mbizi zo. Tweyunire muguno omweroso ogujja ogwa Vision Group ogenda okubeera okuva nga 27 February paka nga 1 March.
Kintu nasa owakasirye breeders Mityana na jirangu nibaza kworeka ente z'amate omu mworeko ogu kandi Michael Julius tumwebaze owa Jurita Coffee Works Limited na jirangu nibaza kworeka enkorensya eyokuhinga omwani.
Tukowoola abalimi okubaawo mu mwoleso guno ogenda otandika ku Friday ng'era nga ffe tudiringira mu nte ez'amata. Abangi badde bakayana n'olugendo okujja Emityana naye leero tusazeewo tusembere n'ekibuga
manyi nenga banoonya company eziri organized enteeketeeke ate nga zirina obukugu obumala okumanaginga projects ez'omutindo ate nga zirina guaranteed returns on investment. Za kampuni nyingi nka Inksol, Staunch Machinery Uganda, Kasirye Breeders Mityana bona bahereze kutebekanisa ebibarikuza kworeka abanya-Uganda omu mworeko ogu. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ismail Nsubuga na Abdukarim Sengendo.